when you hear him say that, you're like, okay, yes I am, and then that's in your head.
Believe in your own goddess, baby.
Yes. So thanks to all those comments backstage, which are really helpful, and yeah, great evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Do we have any questions?
How did you translate your inspiration onto the runway?
Well, you know, I looked at the work for a long time and I decided that I couldn't use anything literal because that belongs to them to sell in museum stores if they did their scarves. So I deconstructed, I did printouts and we cut them and we made our own collages. I didn't want it full. She's not a painting. I mean, she is a painting, but she shouldn't be covered in a painting. So she needs to have portions of it. Clothing has to be modern. You know, this is not bridal. And I think even bridal now, everything has to pull back. We've gone too far. We have to be real. So we wanted little bits and things done. So this can be worn, for instance, with a choli, as a choli with a plain chiffon, beautiful with the shaded chiffon, lovely with jeans, with cut-off shorts, with your harem pants. These things are versatile, and you mix and match. So I just do separates. And it's like how, you know, our grandmothers didn't have a specific petticoat for a specific blouse. Indian just mixed things, and out of 10 things, you made 100 things. And somehow, even though that's a Western thing, it never worked as well unless you're wearing all black or all particular color. But it's such a part of our Indian heritage. So if you work with a seasonal color of prints or a palette, then you can just mix and match and make your own story, you know. And that's what it is. We just, before we come to the show to fit, we get a fit model and say, okay, try this. No, make a white shirt. No, I'd like to see this. So it evolves. So they're little pieces because you don't want to see print with print with print. So you modernize it and keep it real, and you do beautiful scarves and you do little bags, whatever, you know. Then you get the weaves done.
Okay. And where were the accessories inspired from?
Well, it's always a bit tribal for me because I'm obsessed by, you know, the freedom of tribal kind of sensuality. I mean, I feel when I look at costumes of Royal India, it's beautiful, but it's a bit weighed down. It's a bit stiff, it's stilted. It's more fun in kind of, you know, Adivasi freedom, if you like. I mean, that might sound a bit crazy, but in a way...
No, it is. It's just some kind of...
Yeah, you know,
raw.
so there's a rawness, a sensuality to it that, you know, say Amrita Shergill had as a painter. So we, you know, keep building on this. I like anklets, I like baju buns, I like big rings with colored stones. I always like that. We're not a country of trend to go from season to season. Our heritage has been built. She can take her great-grandmother's saris and wear them. You couldn't do that if you were English, you know, you look like in some kind of costume. So we have to strike that balance, as I'm sure all big retail understands, because we live in the past and we live here and we must move to the future. So I love Africa, I love Indian, I love tribal societies, I like mamtikas, I love scarves and wraps. And I love, for me, the most important thing is draping, because our heritage is draping. Beautiful textile, whether it was printed or woven, and people just draped it. You wore dhotis and safas and turbans and, you know, saris in different kinds of ways. That's our heritage. And if everyone wears Western clothes, we lose it. So we do structured drapes. And then it just comes together. I never know what's going to look like till a week before. We're working on pieces, and we hope that the whole will always be greater than the sum of the parts.
Method to madness.
Yeah.
Chitramda, what would you say about your association with Reliance Trends?
Well, like I just said, very accomplished people that I'm sitting with. Now, I think Reliance Trends, like you said, has already made such a mark. So thank you for having me as a showstopper. I'm very happy to work for Reliance Trends. And I really like the whole concept of it, that that you are democratizing fashion, and that you are taking fashion to places, you know, who don't have that much of an access. Because a lot of times, I think fashion is pocketed, you know, into these very big metros and cities. And a lot of people don't have the access and don't feel connected to this fashion kind of a revolution that India is going through right now. So I think what they're doing is amazing, and taking fashion to them and just connecting all the dots all across the country, I think is superb. So yeah, and I believe they are now going up to 180 cities next year.
That's amazing. I didn't know that.
It's like crazy numbers.
I didn't know we had
2 lakh
cities.
You are selling 2 lakh pieces of clothing every day.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what they're doing.
Tarun, many congratulations for the show.
Thank you.
Since the Lakme Fashion Week, everyone was anticipating what you will be presenting today. सबकी निगाहें आप ही पर थी.
Well, I hope we didn't disappoint you.
No, it was a brilliant
Good, thank
show.
you.
कितना समय लगा आपको ये इतना सब conceptualize करने के लिए और फिर implement करने के लिए?
We're now in March. I think we started work like maybe April or May last year. Because the process of making the prints is very long, you know. We deconstructed their paintings, we took out the borders. They sent us 3 whole, giant CDs of hundreds of things that we have to sift through. So you have to shortlist, then you make your mood boards of motives. It's a process of distilling, and then you use, because we had started, we were the first people to do the digital printing, which got copied a lot, unfortunately, with the jewels. And now we've said that it is a fantastic technique, so we've got to use it in a new way. And not just be scanning things from books. I could have scanned, but I called them and said, look, we want to work with you. Let's do it in an organized way. And so you're also part of this. So it's, and then from there we did the silhouettes. We do silhouette work separately. We do print development separately, embellishment separately. And then, but I don't know.
So how long does a dress like this take you to make?
Well, when I heard it was you, I redid the skirt because the original one was boring. You got a diva, you've got to flounce a bit, right? You've got to, yeah.
So generous.
That's true. Honestly, the first one was a bit boring. I said, looks like a petticoat, but let's stop it. Cut it, slash it, let's start it over.
चित्रांगदा, हम लोग जब भी आपको कहते हैं कि आप सुंदर लग रही हैं, लेकिन हर बार नेक्स्ट टाइम आप हमें और mesmerize कर देती हैं. And today, like, apart from your dress, your lips are also.
Oh my God! For that, you deserve a little kiss, Scott, on your cheek. I got one. That's what my Reeks is.
या तो ये इसका राज बताइए, भेद बताइए.
How do you do this?
इसकी लीला बताइए.
इसकी लीला थी करीब 2 घंटे लंबी. बिकॉज हमने 2 घंटे लगाए हैं. मेरी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, आई वांट टू थैंक हर फॉर दिस. ये सारा जो लुक डिज़ाइन हुआ है, तरुण एंड मेरी जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है महक, दे गॉट टुगेदर, उन्होंने डिज़ाइन किया है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. और थैंक यू सो मच to you for being so very generous, especially the lips. महक, superb idea.
आप चांद हैं जो आप बार-बार disappear दिखती नहीं है, आप एक बार दिखा के झलक निकल जाती हैं.
No.
I'm going. Why are you missing the big thing? That's what you mean.
What you mean is that, yeah, I'm missing, I swear. नहीं, अगर well, एक फिल्म है जो बंदूकबाज, जिसकी हमने शूटिंग शुरू करी थी. एक सेकंड शेड्यूल है. We've run into a little bit of a date issue with Nawaz. वो बहुत ज़्यादा busy हैं आजकल, like you know. So he has to obviously finish with Salman first and then come to us. So yeah, so there is that film बंदूकबाज, जो कि
एक जो बात कानों में तक पहुंची थी लास्ट, जो कि लाइक आप सलमान खान से भी मिली थी और फिर पता नहीं कहाँ गायब हो गया. आप बताइए क्या करना है, विश्वास करें या नहीं करें?
जो आपकी मर्जी.
Okay, thank you.
Always deflect.
Wish the team.
नहीं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से रिक्वेस्ट आई है आपके लिए कि विशेष भेजिए आप उनको सेमीफाइनल्स के लिए.
आपको किसने फोन किया?
सबने
किसने?
मैंने.
You will only get into trouble. Huh? Of course, I would like to wish them, and I was following cricket. I think we are very close to it now. So history repeats again. I think very soon. So, I think it's very big celebration coming, and I'm pretty sure we are getting it.
Sorry, Chitrangada, about the spring-summer collection for Reliance Trends. What would you like to say about that?
Well, it's spring-summer collection. I think it's very colorful, and I think it's got everything that summer should have. So many bright colors, and amazing kind of collection that's come in. So yeah, I think it's beautiful.
Chitrangada, do you do a lot of mix and match? What's your wardrobe like?
Very sad, but if you were to open my cupboard, I have only whites and black and grey and a lot of jeans, and that's it. So I'm more like a jeans t-shirt girl. But yeah, I don't think I go with very color coordinated or very, kind of, everything is not planned. I like to mix things, and I'm more like a high street person, that kind of fashion. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can we just have one last picture?
Sure.
One sec, Tarun. Ma'am, here.